spaceport, Mos Eisley is home to an elite rebel cell. Orders are to kill or capture all parties involved, but they're heavily armed and already on alert. Rebel Alliance forces are trying to evacuate our targets, so we'll have to lock down the entire settlement, starting at the junkyard and cantina. We'll ID the bodies in the wreckage.
Securing the cantina, minimal resistance.
Control all access points.
Turret is online.
We're in the junkyard, capturing now.
The Empire's new order is eternal. The water gun ready and set.
That's enough for the cantina. It's under control. All squads to the junkyard.
Trouble! Secure it now!
We're clowns! We fight! We win!
Emperor is here.
It won't be long before the junkyard is secure.
Grenade out! We will bring security to the galaxy.
Luke Skywalker has been spotted.
This sector of the spaceport is secure. The rebels are retreating deeper into the settlement. Maintain fire. Maintain pursuit. The rebels are trying to block us from the docks. That's where they're running to. Very well. We'll seize their rally points at the auction house and bazaar. Then go for the kill.
The rebels will break under our boot. Make room!
Moving in to capture the auction house.
Systems rely on us.
The auction house should fall
Order guns
shortly.
ready and set.
Stay on it. The auction house has been secured.
Clear for grenade.
capture.
Water gun ready. To victory, follow me!
We'll have full control of the bazaar very soon.
Grenade up!
Squad in the bazaar. Taking control. For the Emperor!
Deploying
For the
turret.
bazaar.
Sector secure. The rebels are retreating. Eliminate the stragglers, then advance towards the docks. Mos Eisley is under lockdown, but the rebels are boarding U-wing transports. If they escape, all of you will earn black marks for your failure. Rig those U-wings with explosives and end this operation. Go.
These rebels will fall! Grenade up!
We have reports of Luke Skywalker having joined the battle.
Turret set. For Empire and Emperor!
Charges placed on target transport.
Do not doubt our might!
They need those charges neutralized. Do not allow them access.
Enemy commander landing. Be prepared.
All transports destroyed. The survivors are scattering, but they have nowhere to run. Mos Eisley and Tatooine pose